What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, we are going to do an unboxing of RAEGR RapidLink 350 and RAEGR RapidLink 400. These are car chargers, and the RapidLink 350 is available at 1599 rupees in black and silver colors. The RapidLink 400 is available at 1799 rupees in black and silver colors. You can buy both of these on Amazon or on its official seller's website techitech.com. Links will be in the description. Now here are the boxes. There are 4 car chargers and there are 2 different models. 2 RapidLink 400s and 2 RapidLink 350s. Now let me put all of this aside and come back to RapidLink 350. Here's how the box looks like. It has RAEGR branding. Under it says RapidLink 350. 30 watts Type-C PD output, high capacity car charger, 30 watt output power, Type-C PD protocol, extra portable design, full metallic body, and there's a preview of the charger. On the back there is some more information. Now let's unbox this. Here's the car charger. Next there is Type-C to Type-C cable. Now here's another RapidLink 350 charger and it's the same. Now let's unbox RapidLink 400 charger. This is the box. It has RAEGR branding. Under it says RapidLink 400, 20 watt PD plus 18 watt QC 3.0 dual output car charger, 38 watts total output power, Type-C PD protocol, quick charge 3.0, full metallic body. On the back there is some more information. Now let's unbox this. Here's the car charger. Next there is Type-C to Type-C cable. Now here's another RapidLink 400 charger and it is the same. Now let's have a physical overview. These are RapidLink 400s. These are portable and compact, so they won't take up much space. The design is pretty simple and it is full metallic body. On the front it is plain. On the back there is some information. On the bottom there is charging pin. On the top there is dual ports for output. One is USB-A and another one is USB-C. Inside the port there's red accent color. And next there is RAEGR branding. And it has the design where it is slightly elevated around the top edges to make it easier to pull it out of the socket. Now these are RapidLink 350s. These are slightly smaller than the 400s but have similar design, and it is also full metallic body. It is plain on the front and there is some information on the back. There is charging pin on the bottom and on the top there is Type-C port for output. Next there is RAEGR branding and there is a groove and a small handle. This will help you pull it out of the socket easily. You might even add a keychain to it. Now here are the specs for both the chargers. Both are made of polycarbonate fireproof material and both offer 6 months warranty extension on product registration. So here's how it looks like in the car. The LED on the charger turns on when you plug it in, and let me connect the phone and it works. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about these chargers and will you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.